Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys the difference in my hair, as I've shown you in a couple of videos before this. From when I first started doing my hair, it was always this length. It was short and it was quite brittle and dry. Later on I started protective styling it more, where it did grow a little bit more, but it was still on the dry side. But the best thing about that was it was growing, it was doing better. So I continued to keep it up and I started seeing changes in my hair. And I noticed it wasn't just because of how I took care of my hair or even just protective styling it, but also what I was eating. I wanted to show you guys how changing my diet has helped improve my hair. So one of the things I do for my hair, guys, you know, I do these protein masks. I have a couple of them on my channel. If you go, you can check them out. I make this avocado mask, which I love to do, and I also make this egg protein mask, which my hair loves it, especially my roots. It helps so much and it adds so much strength to my hair. But the best thing I noticed is to grow your hair healthy to begin with. I started making delicious food like this salad ball with the same kind of food. Actually, this has avocado in it, tomato, onions, and different things like that. And I also started meal prepping more. I have my food there ready. I have my veggies and beans on there, which I love meal prepping now. And also, if you guys go on my channel, you'll see I have a couple of breakfasts. One of the things I started doing now is getting more oats and of course eating eggs in the morning because they're full of biotin for your hair. And you can make something as simple as smoothies. I started adding the acai berry to my smoothies, which makes it taste so good, guys, and it has so much benefit for your hair. You can pack smoothie bags to make in the morning and just add things that you would like, something that you enjoy. You guys can make different snacks to enjoy because it's not just about the products you use to grow your hair. It's definitely about the food you eat. So find different combination. I did a video where I showed you guys two of my favorite new supplement that I started taking a little bit ago, and that is my collagen, and I'm also taking this bamboo extra, which helps keeps my hair stronger, healthier, and it's growing. Moving forward, guys, when I do my hair now, you notice there's a lot more length to it. The texture looks a lot better. It's not as dry or brittle as it usually would look from the beginning. It's growing, which I absolutely love it. When I wash my hair, it has a lot more curl definition in it. It looks a lot better. Even the back of my hair, you guys can see it looks fuller now. And this was a few months ago actually. And when it's dry, when I stretch it before wash day, it just looks better, and I absolutely love the results I'm getting. And it's mostly due to the food I'm eating because I've used this almost the exact same product for a while now, and now I'm getting better results out of them because my hair is growing out healthier, and I absolutely love it. So you guys can see the difference between the beginning of my hair, of course, and how healthier, longer, and stronger it looks. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, go over and watch my last video.